morning, second grade. Happy Thursday. So on Tuesday, we had talked about geometric shapes and organic shapes. So I'm just going to do a quick little review and then I will show you guys and tell you guys what the assignment is for this week. Okay, so geometric shapes and organic shapes. So geometric shapes are shapes that we all know and love. Okay, so we have our circle. Mr. Circle doesn't want to move. Okay, we have our square. We have our rectangle. So these are geometric shapes. We got a star and a triangle, a diamond, an oval. Oh, my oval's very, you can see the pencil line there. Kind of a messy oval there, but this is my oval. And a triangle, a heart, an octagon. Octagon has 8 sides. And we have a hexagon. The hexagon has 6 sides. Okay, so those are just a few geometric shapes. Now, when we are talking about organic shapes are shapes that just naturally happen, okay? There's no thought to it. So these are just a few organic shapes. Just a lot of fun, different shapes, okay? There's this cool one. And then I mentioned how these shapes are just formed naturally. So I like to mention the puddles. So like when it rains and there's a puddle on the ground, that's like a perfect organic shape. Or when you're painting and you get like a splatter, that's like an organic shape. Okay, so just different types of shapes that just happen naturally. There's no thought to it and it just appears and it's just a beautiful organic shape. Okay, so what we are going to do today is we are going to create a paper that has a bunch of geometric and organic shapes. Okay, so you're going to get 1 to 2 pieces of construction paper. It's up to you how big you want this. It could just be one size, or maybe you want to get 2 papers together and tape it and then just put a bunch of shapes on here. It's totally up to you on what you want to do, okay? It can be as small as the 1 sheet, or if you want to put the 2 sheets together, that is entirely up to you. So I am going to put the 2 black papers together because I think black is a really cool background for this type of project, okay? So I have 2 pieces of paper. I'm just going to put 2 pieces of tape down. Oops. I'm going to turn this guy over and I'm going to get some glue. There should be a little pocket down here. And I'm just going to put a little bit of glue down there, okay? Just so I know that it's nice and secure. There we go, just a little bit of glue, just like a line of glue. Alrighty, so we are ready to create. So you guys can cut out a bunch of different shapes, geometric shapes and organic shapes, different sizes. They could be big, they could be small. I'm going to be using my visuals here, and then I'll probably have to cut them just so they're a little bit smaller, okay? So I'm going to start with my bigger shapes, and I'm just going to start gluing them down as my background, okay? So I have my bigger shape, and I'm just going to start gluing it down. I know it's back there too. Alright, so glue my hexagon down, my 6 sides geometric shape. I'm going to get my square. My square is black. You know what? I'm not going to get my square yet because my square is black. So I got my circle how about my circle right here? Okay, and then my octagon, my 8-side shape, this guy can go right there. Perfect. Okay, so now let's see. I'm gonna get my heart, and I'm gonna put my heart down. How about overlapping just a little bit? Have it right there. Okay. I'm gonna make my oval smaller. Just a little bit smaller. I'm going to put my oval down right there. How about like right there is good. Next to my circle. Okay, so now let's see, my diamond can go over here. My diamond's going to go this way. Okay. And how about my very skinny triangle? Find a spot for my skinny triangle. How about I can put that one right there? Okay. And then my star and my square, they are black, so I'm going to hold off on those ones. I'm actually going to cut a little bit of my rectangle and just make it much smaller. Just kind of straighten this one out, make sure the lines are nice and straight. My rectangle, how about right here? Okay, so I think I'm good with my geometric shapes. I'm just gonna leave it like that. I may add a little bit more later. I have super tiny ones. So I have like a tiny heart just handy. I have circles handy, and those will be placed on later. Okay, smaller triangles. Okay, so now I'm gonna get my organic shapes, and those are gonna be glued on top. Just anywhere you wanna put them, okay? How about right there? Okay. This one's my favorite, so I'm gonna wait on that one. That one's gonna be placed on much later. Okay, I have this one, and I'm gonna cut that one. Maybe not. Maybe, yeah, I am going to cut this one. This one's way too big. I'm just kind of cutting it, making it like a smaller one. And how about right there? Why not? Okay. I have my big puddle. I'm gonna make my puddle much smaller. The puddle shape is a little bit smaller now. I'm going to put some glue on there. Maybe add it over here. Sure. Just try and lift that up just a little bit. There we go. Okay. And this shape here, I'm going just to cut it and create another organic shape. Just let my scissors take over and do whatever it wants. That's the fun of it. You could just let your scissors do what it wants. Kind of takes over. looks similar to that one, so I'm going to give it a little bit more, just a little bit more details, a little bit more bumpy. Okay, add some glue. Maybe I can stick that one over here like that. Okay, I'm gonna get my yellow one. This one, just cutting it. Letting my scissors do what it wants. This is starting to look like little, like really big little hills, like little bumps, or like a camel's back. Okay, there's that one. That came out kind of cool. So this one, let's see, where would the best spot for this one be? How about there? Yeah. So you can do as many as you like. You don't have to put down as many organic shapes that I did or geometric shapes. The choice is yours. It could be, you know, 5 and 5, 5 geometric shapes, 5 organic shapes, 3 geometric shapes, 3 organic shapes. It's up to you guys, whatever you choose, okay? I'm gonna put that one here. So I would say no less than 3 and no more than, I'm not gonna give you a number. So no less than 3, and then the max is whatever you wanna do. Okay, there's my favorite one. So this one, gosh, I don't know what to do with this one. I think this one's just so neato. I don't know what to do. I don't know where to put you. How about... You're just so cute. I don't know what to do with you. Maybe there? I don't want you there. There's just no space for him. I don't know what to do with this guy. I gotta find a home for him. Okay, so maybe I will put him I am torn, people. Okay. I'm gonna put him, I think I'm gonna put him right here. But he's gonna be underneath the diamond just a little bit. Okay, that's where he's gonna go. So I'm gonna put some glue down. Okay. Alrighty, so he is down, and then I'm going to go ahead and get my tinier shapes, like my circles, and I'm just going to glue these just in random spots, like nowhere special, just in random little spots. Okay. It looks really cool when you have different sizes. So you have like big sizes, and you start with those, and then the medium sizes, and then the smaller sizes would be the last ones you glue on. So in layers, small to big. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get some more. Maybe one there. And I have some hearts. So I'm gonna glue on some hearts in some random spots. Okay, put a heart there. there. And I have a few triangles. Let's see where I'll put these guys. I'm gonna stick one over here. Okay. Stick one right there. Okay, and then maybe one here. Okay, awesome. Okay, so now I think I'm done. I'm gonna add one more there. I'm just gonna go in and make sure that the all the pieces are glued down correctly, because I see some that are wanting to lift, and I want them all to be pressed down. So I'm just going to go in and check it all out, make sure there's enough glue everywhere. Alrighty guys, I think we're done. And if you guys want to use markers, you can, whatever you like, whatever you want to do. Okay, so I will post everything on Edmodo for you, but this is it. I think this is so cool. So we have our geometric shapes and our organic shapes together. So just remember, bigger first down, and then smaller, and then smaller. Okay, so big to small. Okay, all right guys, hope you guys have fun, and I will see you back later. Bye.